Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the best string trimmers in 2026 that you can buy right now. Whether you need power for thick weeds or a lightweight tool for your yard, we've got you covered. All product links are in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Starting at number 1. DCK String Trimmer. The DCK 58V brushless electric weed whacker is a powerful, battery-powered tool designed for optimal performance and convenience. Weighing 27.12 pounds and featuring a striking red color, this cordless weed whacker boasts a fortress-style design that enhances energy and heat dissipation. Its robust 58V brushless motor provides exceptional power and runtime of up to 90 minutes, while offering low-noise operation and 3-speed settings for ultimate control. The advanced 5A charger employs e-energy technology to monitor each battery cell for optimal temperature and longevity, ensuring safe charging with an efficient cooling fan and an integrated fuel gauge. Designed for comfort, the weed whacker includes an ergonomic soft grip handle that minimizes vibration and a comfortable shoulder strap for ease of use. For added functionality, it features a bump knob feed for quick trimmer line release, ensuring precise cutting and safety with a protective cover. Number 2. Husqvarna 220IL Cordless String Trimmer. The Husqvarna 220IL Cordless String Trimmer is a lightweight and efficient gardening tool that operates on battery power, making it a convenient choice for yard work. Weighing just 15 pounds, it features a 16-inch cutting width and offers an hour of runtime per battery charge, even during heavy-duty use. This all-in-one kit includes the trimmer, battery, and charger, ensuring you have everything you need in one package. The trimmer is equipped with a dual-direction trimmer head that allows for easy adjustment of the cutting direction, helping to keep clippings away from garden beds and hardscapes. Its intuitive touchpad controls enable instant startup, and an LED indicator clearly shows the trimmer's operational status. Additionally, the Power Boost mode provides a 20% increase in power for tackling tougher grass and thick weeds, while the Flip and Go feature allows for a seamless transition to edging mode. Number 3. EGO Power Plus String Trimmer. The EGO Power Plus is a battery-powered weed and grass trimmer designed for efficiency and ease of use. Weighing 7.4 pounds and measuring 71.7 inches in length and 12.6 inches in width, it features a professional-grade dual-feed spiral twist string cutting line with a diameter of 0.095 inches, providing a 15-inch cutting swath for effective trimming. Its high-efficiency brushless motor ensures longer run times, reduced vibrations, and an extended motor life, while being IPX4 weather-resistant. The trimmer is equipped with a rapid reload head that allows for quick and easy loading of new cutting line by simply aligning arrows, inserting the line, and twisting. It also includes variable speed control to adapt to various working situations. The fan-cooled charging system prevents overheating of the battery and charger, allowing for a rapid 50-minute charge time from 0 to full for the included 2.5Ah battery. This package includes one 56-volt 2.5Ah battery and a standard charger, utilizing industry-leading ARC lithium technology for exceptional power and performance, and is compatible with all EGO tools. Number 4. Echo SRM 2620T Line Trimmer. The Echo brand offers a gasoline-powered tool that is designed for efficiency and performance. With a striking red color, this item weighs 5.9 kilograms and operates at an impressive speed of 6,000 revolutions per minute, making it a powerful choice for various tasks. Number 5. EGO Power Plus String Trimmer. The EGO Power Plus is a battery-powered string trimmer designed for high-performance trimming with a continuous 16-inch cutting swath, thanks to its patented Line IQ technology that auto-senses and feeds the trimmer line without the need for bumping. It features innovative power load technology, allowing users to quickly feed and wind the trimmer line with just the push of a button, minimizing downtime. The trimmer's telescopic carbon fiber shaft can be easily adjusted to accommodate different heights, ensuring user comfort, and it is backed by a limited lifetime warranty for durability. With a runtime of up to 60 minutes on a single charge using the included 4.0Ah battery, this trimmer is compatible with all EGO 56V ARC lithium batteries. Additionally, it comes equipped with professional-grade, dual line spiral twist 0.095-inch trimmer line and offers IPX4 rated weather resistance along with a digital 2-speed selector for added versatility. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you find the best string trimmer, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Check the description for all product links. See you in the next video.